Today is October 29th, 2020. Basically outside for raining all day long. So there is nothing to do at the outside, but there are something to do at the inside. Basically I'm trying to make a fire stove for the winter. Alright, winter preparation. So I have a junk wheel and the junk pot, and I bought some materials. Let me make wood fire stove for the winter. Winter preparation time. Let's check it out. So this is my plan. So you can understand my drawing or not, but you will see. Try fit. Let me use the die set and let's try fit. This is good, nice, beautiful, fantastic. This is perfect. This is perfect. There is another wheel, so you put on top. This is done. Basically half is done. More than half is done. Let me install most expensive part in this project. Basically this wheel. I spend around $14 steel wheel. Alright, this is what I spend for this project. Other stuff, everything recycle, was junk, recyclable. So don't waste the material. Somebody's waste can be somebody's treasure. Alright, half inch and quarter inch and half inch long. Let me drive with the wheel, most expensive part in this project. Let's put hinge now. Now time to assemble. Let's assemble now. Handle. Now let's assemble wheel. Right now, let's assemble. Nice, beautiful. That's it. Firewood stove is basically done. This is all recycled material, so do not throw away recycle material. Alright, ash clean place, and actually you can lift up this thing on top. What do you think? Will be work nice. And there is one more you can put on top. You can put on top like this, more higher. Higher, higher, higher. Nice, beautiful firewood stove. So this winter will be warm. Set up high if you want, like this. You can set up high like this. You can set up high like this. What do you think? Open up. Make a nice stove. More higher, more bigger. You can make a more bigger fire. That's it. That's it. This is the beauty of recycling. Alright, don't throw away material. Save the earth. This is the one of a kind fire stove. Thanks for watching. Enjoy winter. This is beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty.